guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about this product from Lotus Botanicals. So it is their Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme, and I'm gonna use this product and I'm also gonna tell you about this. Since I have been using this product, I feel a lot of difference in my skin. So if you want to know how beneficiary this product is for your skin, then please continue watching. Since you all know, vitamin C is a powerhouse ingredient known for its skin brightening benefits. It fades spots, scars and pigmentation. This product has vitamin C, aqua, niacinamide and many more skin brightening ingredients. It is for all skin types. It targets the concerned area, which is uneven skin tone, dullness and dehydration. It has natural plant extracts which hydrates and radiates, also balances out the skin, making it firmer and younger. So use it daily for best results. This vitamin C skin brightening day creme is a thick creme, but it does not make your skin look sticky or glossy. It gets absorbed inside the skin and gives your skin a dewy and natural glow. So how you can use is that after cleansing your skin, apply the vitamin C skin brightening day creme, massage it gently till it is completely absorbed. I use this creme on a daily basis and I can see a lot of difference in my skin tone wise, and also all my scars and my blemishes have been faded. This is how my skin looks after applying the Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme. I have no makeup on my face, and also if you see this video, there is no filter on. This is like how my natural skin looks like. It's super dewy, very much hydrated, and I absolutely love it. So guys, the product link is down in the description. Also, I have mentioned their website in the description, so if you want to check their other products out. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.